Ripple. Hey guys, welcome. This is the perfect tutorial for those of you that are new to Ripple, music creation on an iOS, or just want to have fun. So let's get into it. Hey there, fellow music maestros. Welcome back to our channel. Prepare to be blown away as we dive into the mesmerizing world of music creation with the one and only Ripple. Ripple is a music creation app that's setting a new standard for how you make music and on the go. I'm your host, Nyceboy, and together we'll create a symphony of sounds that'll leave you and your listeners in awe. Getting started with Ripple and user interface. We'll kickstart your music journey with Ripple. So if you haven't already, head to the App Store or Google Play Store, find the iconic Ripple music creation tool, and let's get rippling. Let's open up the app. Welcome to the playground of sound. Ripple boasts a sleek and intuitive interface, perfect for all your music trailblazing. Create an account, or if you have one, just log in. I'm gonna highlight the key sections and all the tools so you can check them out. We'll strut through the app's interface like seasoned musicians on stage. It's time to unlock the secrets of Ripple and forge your path to musical stardom. I'm gonna explain each section and its purpose. When you see that green icon with that black ripple, click on it and open up the app. Ripple brings you directly to melody to song. It's Ripple's flagship feature inside the app. It allows anybody, any age, at any time to create music. And easy. Time to get rippled. Look for the red record button at the bottom of the green screen. Pressing that button allows you to sing or hum a melody, and Ripple will instantly turn it into a song, just like that. Let's check it out. Ripple, ripple through the night, our hearts ignite, the stars align, a melody that's pure and free. Together we'll find harmony. Ripple, ripple through the night, our hearts ignite, the stars align, a melody that's pure and free. Together we'll find. Well, alright, now that was fun and cool. As soon as you're done recording, it prompts you to create song. All you have to do is press the button at the bottom and watch the magic begin as it processes. After seconds of magical AI technology, Ripple turns your lyrics into a song. With hundreds of genres, thousands of musical styles, you have many options for your song. The capabilities are infinite. The app allows you to stay busy, creative, and have an endless amount of musical freedom and fun anywhere. Let's check it out. Ripple, ripple through the night, our hearts ignite, the stars align, a melody that's pure and free. Together we'll find harmony. Ripple gives you an option of Ripple gives you an option of exporting your project as a WAV, MP3, image, or as a video. And you can release it to any platforms without any limitation. Another great thing about Ripple is you can take your projects into the Ripple Studio and edit them the same way you do in Pro Tools or Logic or any other DAW. You can store files and even import your own sounds. Take the lyrics, change the instrumental, or keep the instrumental, change the melodies. Add harmonies, add ad-libs, or even do features. One of the greatest things about this app is no musical experience is needed. Remix it, mash it up, or even master it. And all this is done with your iOS phone. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Once your song has processed, you have access to all the tools needed: EQ, mixing, tuner, special effects, metronome, adding and muting instruments, which these functions are also available in the Melody to Record section of the app. Learning to use the settings before you record, such as tuner, key, and tempo, can give you a better recording. Later on, we'll talk about that. For now, let's save our project. By going up to the top right hand of the screen, look for a folder icon and press it. The My Song name will come up, prompting you to save your project, or you can change the name by pressing X. Just rename it and press save. All of your files are saved in the same place in the same folder, making it easy to find, rename, and organize, and easier to export and share with friends across your social media network and favorite platforms. Congratulations, music connoisseurs! You have just learned how to ripple. With the app being so easy, it makes it almost impossible not to want to explore more. Let's dive into the studio of the app. Just go back to the home screen. At the bottom, look to the left of the bullseye and you'll see a folder with a plus sign. Press it. Welcome to the studio, the Ripple Studio. You can identify you're in the right spot by the green New Project sign in the very middle of the screen. And above that, it says Studio. If you look up top, it gives you options. You can start your musical journey before you enter Ripple Studio. From the left, mashup, remix, track separation, and audio boost are all functions you have accessibility to use to enhance your production, make your workflow quicker, and giving you access to all the functions you need. If you want to make a remix, a mashup, separate the vocals from an instrumental, or boost up audio, you can do that here. It's the first time ever, all this power in the palm of your hand. Go to the top, pick which feature you like to use, import your audio or waves, save it inside the app. You can label and store your files. By showing you this, you'll understand more clearly what I mean by how powerful and easy this app truly is. Navigate like a pro, mastering the interface. I'll highlight key sections and tools. We'll strut through the app's interface like a seasoned musician on stage. It's time to unlock the secrets of Ripple and forge your path to musical stardom. I'll explain each section and its purpose. But first, let's give a recap. We'll start from the very beginning and go right into the studio and its features and how to record and complete a project. Step 1, launch the app. Open the Ripple Music Tool app on your iOS device. Upon opening, you'll be greeted by a clean and user-friendly interface. Melody to Song is the perfect way to create fun songs quick. Step 2, let's check out the studio. Tap on the studio option from the main menu. This will lead you to the heart of the app where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a blank canvas, eager to be filled with your musical genius. Step 3, add instruments. To start crafting your music, tap the plus button in the top right corner. A selection of virtual instruments will appear before you. Choose your desired instrument from an array of options such as piano, drums, guitar, and more. Simply tap on the instrument of your choice to add it to your studio. Step 4, play and record. Once your instrument is added, tap on the keys, strings, or pads to play and test your melody. To begin recording your masterpiece, hit the record button at the top center of the screen. Play your chosen instrument while the recording is active, and your music will be immortalized within the app. Step 5, editing your composition. Now that your musical ideas are captured, you can refine and edit them to perfection. Tap on the edit button to access various editing tools, or rearrange your recorded parts with ease. Step 6, applying effects. Enhance the texture and vibe of the effects button to explore a collection of reverb, delays, and modulations. Choose an effect, adjust its parameters, and listen to your music transform into something truly mesmerizing. Step 7, utilize ripples. The app's unique Ripples feature adds a touch of magic to your composition. Tap on the Ripples button to activate rhythmic patterns, sidechain effects, or other dynamic elements that breathe life into your music. Step 8, save and export. Once you've honed your masterpiece, save your creation by tapping the save button. You can also export your composition as an audio file to share with the world or use it on other music production software. Step 9. Explore more. Beyond the studio portion, the Ripple Music Tool app has additional features to explore. From a comprehensive sound library to advanced mixing tools, take your music to greater heights by exploring the app's full potential. Step 10. Have fun and create. With the Ripple Music Tool app studio portion at your fingertips, let your creativity soar. Play, experiment, and immerse yourself in the joy of making music as you unleash your artistic potential with every note. Remember, the Ripple Music Tool app is designed to be your musical companion, empowering you to create, share, and celebrate the beauty of sound. Now go forth and let your melodies resonate with the world. As we bring this rhythmic odyssey to a close, remember, dear harmonizers, you possess the power to make your dreams sing, dance, and ripple through eternity. Embrace the rhythm within, for in Nyceboy's world, if it ain't ripple, it don't rip.